Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So you have to start by opening your App Store and then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. And now you can click open, then click I agree and click not now and confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.